Hello, good morning children. We are starting that online classes after a very long time. This is the continuation of the class that what we have learned in the last session. We have learned that how to solve that equations in two variables, that is linear equations in two variables in the different methods. One is the graph method, next substitution method, and third one is elimination method. Elimination also eliminated by x and eliminated by y. Now we are going to learn that another method which is called as a cross multiplication method. In this cross multiplication method, we have to give it equations in the general form of linear equations in two variables, that is a1x plus b1y is plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. In this form we have to write, and then the coefficients of x terms are a1, a2, coefficients of y terms are the b1, b2, and constants are c1 and c2. This we have to write as x by b1, b2, c1, c2 is equal y by c1, c2, a1, a2 is equal 1 by a1, a2, b1, b2. These coefficients we have to multiply and find the product in the diagonally. Okay. Now this is x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is the formula where we are finding the values of x and y. Okay, these products we got by multiplying the coefficients in the cross multiplication, that is the diagonally. In this we have to substitute that coefficients and we are able to find the values of x and y. Now let us take that one example or the problem from that our regular exercise 3.5, first bit, second one, as series 2x plus y is equal to 5, 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. This we have to solve by the cross multiplication method. First we have to write them in the form of the general form. 2x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 8 is equal to 0. Now you can write the coefficients of x and y. a1, a2. a1 is the how much? 2. a2 is the 3. b1 is 1. b2 is the 2. c1 is minus 5. c2 is minus 8. Okay. Now we are coming to solve it. That is by writing that our formula x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Write the values here. X by b1 into c2, b1 how much? 1, c2 minus 8 minus B2 2 into C1 minus 5 is equal to y by C1 minus 5 A2 into 3 minus next C2 minus 8 into A1 2. Okay, now is equal to 1 by A1 B2 2 into 2 minus A2 B1 3 into 1. Simplify x by 8 plus 10 is equal to y by minus 15 plus 16 is equal to 1 by 4 minus 3. That see here x by minus 8 plus 10 2 is equal to y by 1, that is minus 15 plus 16 is equal to 1 by 1, where these variables you have to equate with the constant, that is x by 2 is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, y by 1 is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. Therefore x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Okay, this is the way to solve the equations by the cross multiplication method. Now we can take that one more example from this. Sorry, not example, it is a problem only from our exercises. Now x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, 3x minus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. Please check it again. X minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. 3x minus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. Already gave that equations in the form of our general form. So directly you can take the coefficients from this. A1 is equal to 1. A2 is equal to 3. B1 is equal to minus 3. B2 is equal to minus 3. C1 is equal to minus 7. C2 is equal to minus 15. Now we have to write the formula here. X by B1 C2 minus B2 C1 is equal to y by C1 A2 minus C2 A1 is equal to 1 by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Write the values over here. X by B1 into C2, B1 into C2 minus 3 into minus 15 minus B2 into C1. What is the B2 here? Minus 3 into C1 minus 7. Okay, is equal to y by C1 minus 15 into A2 3. C1 A2. Sorry, C1 is the how much here? C1 is the minus 7. C1 A2 minus 7 into 3 minus C2 A1 minus 15 into A1 1 is equal to how much? 1 by A1 B2, A1 into B2 1 into minus 3 minus A2 into B1 3 into minus 3. Okay, now x by minus to minus plus 45 minus 21 is equal to y by minus 21 plus 15 is equal to 1 by minus 3 plus 9. Whereas here x by 24 is equal y by minus 6 is equal to 1 by 9. Sorry, 1 by 6. Equate with these variables to each. Here x by 24 is equal to 1 by 6, 6 1s are 6 4s are, x is equal to 4. Y by minus 6 is equal to 1 by 6. 6 6 cancel, y is equal to minus 1. Therefore, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to minus 1. Okay. So here the solution is 4 and minus 1. This is the method to solve the equations by cross multiplication method. Just one more here. But always that equations will not be given like this. Already we know that first only we have to check that whether the given equation is solvable or not. Solvable in the sense it should be have that a unique solution. If it has the no solution and infinity solutions, it is not possible to solve. For example, here one problem we can take from this. Now x minus 3y minus 3 is equal 0 and 3x minus 9y minus 2 is equal to 0. First we have to check that it is solvable or not. Take the coefficients right here, a1, a2, that is 1 by 3 is equal to minus 3 minus 9 and this is minus 3 minus 2. Minus minus cancel, minus minus cancel, 3 1s are 3 3s are. So what happened here? 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 3 is equal to 3 by 2. This is in the form of a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to 0. So this has infinity solutions. How many? It has infinity solutions. Therefore, it cannot be solved because every point will become as a solution for it. Okay. Sometimes we will get here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. In that case, no solutions. That also we cannot solve. Okay. So first, before solving the equations, it's better to check whether the given equations are solvable or not. Solvable means it should have that a unique solution. a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2. Okay. And for this, just I am giving you that one or two examples as that homework for you. You can take the equations from 3.4 exercise. First bit 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equations. Very small homework I am giving you as a first day. These 4 equations you have to solve by the cross multiplication method. Okay. These compulsory you have to write in the homework books and you have to submit on the reopening day. Okay. Goodbye. Tomorrow we are meeting again in the next class. Good.